Climate change has become one of the most discussed topics around the world. The reasons for this are for the devastating effects it is causing on our planet's ecosystem and also the problems it causes on us. Many experts believe that climate change will lead us to a global catastrophe in the extreme near future if nothing is done to fix the problem. Now, what is climate change? Who or what is being affected? What causes climate change? Are there any measures being taken place right now to reverse the effects or to prevent further damage? Climate change directly affects almost everyone on the planet. We can just concentrate just on the devastating effects it is causing here, where we live in California. Julia Jacobo, writer to ABC News, states, climate change is expected to continue to cause our wildfire seasons to be longer and more intense. These intense wildfires we have been facing are the results of the increasing warmth in our climate. People have been evacuated from their homes as the fires destroy everything in their path. Umair Irfan, writer for Vox.com, states, the immediate effects of this toxic brew can be stark. It can cause coughing and watery eyes while worsening underlying health problems like heart disease and asthma. People living in the states of California and Oregon have felt the most effects of the wildfires. The red haze we experienced for days were the result of the burnings, in which it caused many serious problems. Besides California, we can now focus on the effects of climate change in other parts of the planet. For example, the countries of Central America or the eastern states of the US. In the recent years, they have experienced high levels of hurricanes causing maximum damage to many people. How does climate change make hurricanes more deadly? Amina Khan, staff writer for the LA Times, wrote, as sea levels continue to rise due to global warming, they are increasing the risks are storm surges, the dangerously high floods caused by storm pushing water on shore. Those floodwaters are responsible for much of the damage left by hurricanes, particularly in high populated coastal areas. The increased water levels caused by the mounting ice caps in the northern and southern poles is what gives hurricanes more juice, bringing more destruction to the coastal areas as never seen before. The climate change topic became a mass news subject not so long ago, some 45 years ago to be exact. BBC News environment correspondent Richard Black wrote in an article, in 1975, US scientist Wallace Brocker puts the term global warming into the public domain in the title of a scientific paper. Now, what exactly causes global warming? Alistair Doyle and Simon Johnson, writers for the articles for Reuters, said leading climate scientists said on Friday that they were more convinced than ever that humans are the main culprits for global warming and predicted the impacts from greenhouse gas emissions could linger on for centuries. Human beings are the ones mostly responsible for causing climate change. Fossil fuels emitted by cars and factories are one of the chemicals that are exhaled into the atmosphere that is causing the planet to grow warmer. In addition, deforestation and shortening of the Amazon rainforest are also contributing to climate change due to the trees and plants' ability to clean the air from pollution. Environmentalists and other experts are urgently trying to advise the world's governments on what to do to reverse the effects of climate change and to prevent further damage before it's too late. If nothing is done to fix the planet's increasing temperatures, humans will very well see cataclysmic effects in the near future. A great number of habitats and creatures crucial to human survival will go extinct. And if like that's not enough, natural disasters will become stronger and bringing more destruction. Human survival will greatly depend on what is done to fix climate change.